Okay, sorry for the shaking, but this is actually the last day of May, and the subscription came, so I'm recording it now. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow, this is funny. This is funny because I was gonna get this month. Anyway, yeah. For June 2024. Oh wow, nice. First one is one I was gonna get anyway this month. The Hot Shot dog tag. It's like the version 2. I'm gonna keep this one, actually. Yes, the Hot Shot. I think it's the version 2 one. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna have to do? Let me just do this real quick. So it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to do this, but yeah, I was gonna get this month. Isn't that weird? Next is, ooh, a nice one. Okay. Next is a signature card. By the way, it's for the Hot Shot dog tag is $12.99. The Joe Jonas, or Jordan Jonas version 1 quotes. I believe I have version 2. Yeah. That's nice. It is a straight up trapping and fishing cord. That is $21.95. Honestly, this might rival February's, I must say. Next is cooking tripod. That's actually a good thing, because I want to make one, bushcraft one. Yeah. So this is a tip called CM-10 cooking tripod. Alternative cooking tripod construction. Yeah, this is really nice. And then oh wow. I think I have this, but for Finding North. I have this in the playing card, but navigation shadow stick method. Both of these are $1.85, which I don't think they've changed price actually, which is good. Yeah. So yeah, I must say, I'm very impressed. This is the business card that you got, but that's okay. It's like 1,000 of the ones anyway. That is really cool. I must say, I was seriously, I swear, Grim reads my mind because I was gonna get this month. You don't have to. Nice. There should be high Corbin also. Either way, I'm gonna be using it. I turned off the air for this. But yeah, I'm actually happy. So I believe I have version. I think I do. Yeah, I think I do have version 2 of this in my whatchamacallit. So yeah, we get that. Okay, so I have another fire sword with me, and it comes with like a striker thing right there. Pretty cool. Seriously, last month I got the big card, the Hot Shot version 2 card. This is probably coincidence, but wow. Uh, that all looks like that's actually a good all. It's a small one which you can use for whatever. There's 2 small, 2 large, 2 small lows, arrow which looks like it could hurt a lot if you know, a net, shuttle, needle. Wait, I think I was watching a video on this, but like this one and this one actually. So yeah, I'm gonna say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed this month, definitely. this gives February's, in my opinion, a run for its money. So yeah, I'm happy, actually. Remember this was, um, this came a day before the first, so that's cool. Wow, I'm happy. It's always good when you get like things that you've been looking at. The reason I have this because this thing right here, the thing I usually put my phone on, is wobbly. Oh, I know why. Because there's this thing right there. There's this thing right there. Anyway, I'm happy. That's the. I'm glad it came early though. Better early than late, right? Come on, get out. So yeah, I didn't find that one thing, by the way, in the puppy room at all. But that's okay. I can't find two things. My SWO Origin Survival Kit, which I want to have for in here. I don't know where that went. I know it's in the prep room, I guess. So yeah, anyway. I hope you liked the video, because I sure did. Anyway, peace.